Today we're going to be unboxing the Davinci Resolve Speed Editor here. These things ain't cheap, let me tell you. I mean, you get the software with it, the studio software, which is a plus, but yeah, I kind of got sick of using Premiere. Figured I'd switch it up and start using Davinci. What I like about Davinci, the audio, you can see the audio. Premiere just never really got the hang of it. I have, but it's just pain in the butt editing, and especially using the mouse, this is a nice mouse, don't get me wrong, but so I figured I'd switch it up. I'd go with the Davinci Resolve and test out their software. I know they give you a free version you could use, but I guess the studio version is what you pay for, so you get that included when you purchase this. So I wouldn't recommend buying this used. Bought this new from Amazon, from the company. So let's open this up. Yeah, I've been meaning to unbox this. I bought it a few days ago. Just haven't had time. I like the glossiness of the Alright. Faster than a mouse and a keyboard. Fast editing. So what I'm understanding, this has Bluetooth, because that's what I'm kind of concerned, like, do you have to have this thing plugged in all the time, you know, or can I just set it on the table and just do my editing? So it has Bluetooth, which is nice. And from what I see, the reviews, people say that the battery lasts a long time. It has USB-C charging and all these different features here. So let's unbox this. Oh, I got a nice styrofoam. But yeah, I was saying my first thing about this, man, look at the weight on this thing. I'm gonna set that stuff to the side. But the weight on this, the box, I was like, man, that thing's beastie. So yeah, I'm not gonna show you my serial number underneath, but wow, that's scroll wheel, man. Wow, that's nice. It's got some weight to it. And we got the charger port there. Wow, look at that beefy cable they gave you. That's one beefy cable. Thing is thick. That's a pretty long cable too. Wow, that's pretty impressive. Cables like that, you pay a decent amount of money for. So that's kind of cool that they included that. Get anything else in the box? No. That's it. Yeah, that's got some weight on it. We got some stickers here. So we got like a little brochure here. Man, look at that dude set up. Got some high tech. He's got the big keyboard. And so this is the information containing your keys probably, which I'm not going to open that up, of course. So this is Resolve 18, so Davinci 18. I don't know what they have right now, 19, I'm not sure. Like, I'd used their software once, that's it. I tried it, I was like, okay, I like it. Like I said, I like the audio, how it shows a big picture of the audio versus Premiere, you have to go in there. And I figured I'd switch it up, so you have to bear with me when I start using this. Try to edit some videos, it's gonna be fun. Trying to learn the whole software. I mean, it's totally different. Kind of somewhat the same, but man, a lot of people find, you know, Davinci a lot easier to use than versus Premiere. I don't know, I've been using Premiere for a while. I hope you guys liked the unboxing video. I didn't see anybody really doing an unboxing on this, so I figured I'd do a video on it. See reviews of it. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys get a chance, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. As always, thanks for watching.